Good morning, boys and girls. You all already know I will not be here today, but I wanted to make this quick video to remind you of a few things. I have left a sheet of paper for your substitute to keep track of Bloom's points. Hopefully she's keeping track of compliments and your plant snacks and you having no negative marks for the day. She will also be keeping track of negative marks, which hopefully nobody gets. Nobody needs negative marks today. We talked about it quite a bit yesterday to make sure to be respectful. This is her classroom while she is here, and you can be helpful without telling her what to do. And I'm sure she's giving me a thumbs up right now because she knows exactly what I'm talking about. Make sure you're helpful. Make sure you're kind. Don't forget about Rachel's challenge. I have not only left the Bloom's point paper with her, I have also let her know about the investigation you all are trying to earn, and that each of those letters is a goal that you all can work towards. So whatever goals she sets for you, hopefully you can achieve them and get plenty of letters today towards our investigation. That would be very exciting to have it on a Friday. I also want to remind you to slant. Make sure you sit up in your chair, you lean forward, ask and answer questions, track her while she is speaking. Be patient, be kind. Know that I'm thinking about you and that I can't wait to be back on Friday to see everybody. Bye, guys. Have a great day.